All right, so we have our new wheels at the bottom. New screen is in there, and I had to put a metal tab here because what was happening before, you would slide the door, and this metal, and you could see all the wear on there, was rubbing on there. So this tab right here keeps it in the track where it belongs, and we are basically salvaging what used to be a disaster of a door to a door that will be perfectly serviceable and excellent for years to come. Even if kids are rough on that, this will be fine. I'm being a little rough with it and slamming it around just to treat it like a homeowner. Yeah, there you go. That is 100% fixed. I'm proud of it. We are good.